Welcome to Derek Does. Today, we're doing this. This is a series I did on baking. I did this a couple years ago and I just hated to waste it. And I thought I'd throw it up here on Derek Does because I do a lot of stuff. Now this particular one is this, and I think you're gonna enjoy it. Hi everybody, welcome to another Baking with Derek, and today we're gonna make pizza. Come on. Combine the water and the yeast and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Start with just a half a cup whole wheat. Just to give the dough just a little bit of whole wheatness. And then 2.5 cups of all-purpose. So 3 cups total. Add our rosemary. And then 1 tablespoon of olive oil. As usual, I like to give everything a stir before I put it on my mixer. And we forgot our salt. So let's add our 1.5 teaspoon. We'll give that a stir too. It's okay to forget a couple things, as long as you remember at the end. All right, 5 minutes is up. Dough still has a little bit of a stickiness to it, which is fine. Pizza dough, you'll notice, is much smoother than your normal bread dough. We're gonna put that seam side down right in our bowl. We're gonna cover it and let it sit for about an hour. Your dough's ready when it's doubled in size. Cut your dough into halves. Form back into a ball. And let rest 10 minutes. A little flour. Do each one individually. Alright, I've made the pizzas now. You can make pizzas any way you want. I happen to have 2 cheeses, and I have artichokes and black olives and mushrooms and homemade sauce. So we lay out the dough, we put everything on, everything's ready to go, now we're gonna put it in the oven. Again, the oven's at 425. I'm gonna put the pan at the bottom because it'll need more time to cook. And then just the flat one on top. Number one. I'm gonna let that one go just a little bit longer because it's a thicker pizza. Let's take a look at this one. Notice how it's all risen. Looks pretty good. Here you go, fresh pizza. This is the dough we made. Now, of course, you can make this pizza any way you want with any toppings you want. But basically, you see, it's all puffed up really nicely, and right here kind of gives you the two different ways. If you do flat pizzas, this is probably what this is going to look like, and this is if you're going to do more of a pan pizza. Now this one I let go about 28 minutes. This one I let go about 24 minutes, just because it's thicker and needs a little more time. Now you could even let it go even further if you like your cheese kind of more crispy, but I hope you enjoy making some pizza. See you next time.